Alright, welcome back to Mini Bikes and More. We're on the final part of the install on the swap on the Coleman 200S RSV. So we did hook up the throttle cable, as you can see. We tested it. It goes all the way back. We did remove the screw that was in right through there, so it didn't limit it. Cut the tube here because we're going to put a vent kit on it. We are going to put the air filter back on before we put the motor in, and then we're going to put the motor in, put the bolts in for the motor. Those parts, I don't know if we really need to do those on video, so we're going to get to that point, come back, and I'll show you how to put the converter back together, and hopefully we'll get a test run. We'll obviously need to hook up the wires that go from the charging coils up there, but we'll be back after we get the air filter back on it and the motor sitting inside there. Alright, we're back. We got the engine bolted down, oil added to it. That's the only thing that's different since the last time. So we're going to install our spacer here. Get this on there. Hopefully we can get it to line up. Slides right on. Hopefully we put this belt on the correct way. I should have lip marked it beforehand. This thing is pretty tight. Oh man, it's super tight. Come on, bad boy. This thing was tight before. Man, we may have to loosen the engine and move it back. See if we can move it back just a hair. I don't think it will, though. Man, that's on there tight. Let's see here. Maybe a little tighter than my liking there. I don't know if this will help or not. It's a brand new belt. Like I said, this thing has never been over. Don't go over on me, bike. Probably not a good idea to use sharp objects on it, but here we go. Alright. Well, that didn't work out so well. There we go. Get this bad boy, get blinded here. Alright, so we got our old bolt. This is what came out of the old engine. Compare the sizes here. It's 5/16 by 24. Let's see what we got for. Alright, so it's pretty much the same size. There's a lock washer on there. We can throw a washer on this as well. Let me grab one and we'll. The old Butterfingers. Alright, so maybe this washer won't work. I don't know. It's supposed to be a 5/16. Yeah, you can't see this. It's supposed to be a 5/16 here. It's not going on. Let me pause this, go find a washer. Alright, found a washer. It's a little bigger. But that's fine. It's just taking up space. Alright, let's find what we need. That's it. Oh yeah. I like to use low impact for this. Small impact. Don't get too carried away with it. That's probably good. Alright. I don't know if you can see any of this business up here. Let's see if we can get these wires hooked up. I thought I had that going in. Well. These things are always a pain. I hate this little cover that slides down. Okay, that one's in. Let's look for the other one. There we go. We'll tie that wire back up after. Alright, so now all we gotta do is put this cover back on and then test it out and see how well it works. I'm not gonna bore you with the three nuts and bolts that gotta go in with the torque converter cover. Next episode we'll add some gas and go for a test run in it. Y'all have a good evening. Please like and subscribe.